Palm Springs is famous for its mid-century modern homes, but this one has something you almost never get a chance to see. It's been owned by the same family for more than 50 years. And today, I'm taking you inside. Welcome to Palm Springs. I'm James with LPT Realty, and wait until you see what's inside this house. This 1960 Palmer & Kreisel designed Alexander home features that iconic and highly sought after butterfly roofline, but has been fully renovated. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,225 square feet of living space, sits on an oversized 10,454 square foot lot, but has a pool and incredible mountain views. Let me flip this camera around and show you everything that this home has to offer. So the kitchen is my absolute favorite part of this home. I saw this home when it was in its original state, and there was a wall right here. The kitchen was tiny, super dated. Everything was practically original. They knocked out this wall, added this beautiful quartz, oversized island, and fully renovated this kitchen. You've got stainless steel appliances with Frigidaire, microwave, stove, and fridge. Beautiful backsplash. New cabinets, vinyl plank flooring throughout. You've got a window here that gives you your pool views, black sink, and now it is an open floor plan, so you get to be part of the party. This home is perfect for entertaining. And you know, Palm Springs is one of only 2 cities that still allows the short-term rentals. And with the location of this home, it's absolutely perfect for that. And they did such a beautiful job renovating and redesigning everything. Look at the beautiful pendant light there, trying to keep the integrity of the mid-century modern style. Beautifully done kitchen. You've got your dishwasher right next to your 5-burner stove, sink overlooking the pool area, the stainless steel refrigerator, and then your oversized island. And make sure you're still part of the party. Then as you enter your living space here, kept the original fireplace, and they did the paneling all around to give it that updated mid-century modern look. French doors leading to the back. And let's take a look at the star of the show. So you've got a nice covered patio here. Your pool is right off to the right there, but look at those views. Now, during the wintertime, these mountains are covered in snow, and they make for some of the best pictures, the best backdrop. The views are absolutely incredible. You've got the Palm Springs Tramway right off in the distance there. And if you are from the Coachella Valley, you know all about that. If not, people come from all over the world to visit Palm Springs and ride the tram. Now, behind you is an elementary school. So you have no neighbors behind you, and it's summertime right now, so it's super quiet. And then, of course, during the school year, you'll get a little noise back there from the kids playing during lunch and before school, after school. But for the most part, you'll always have these unobstructed views, and it's pretty quiet throughout the year. Obviously, on the weekends during the school year, there won't be any noise coming from back there, and then most of the day, and then of course at night when school is out. Now you've got this huge side yard. Those doors over there lead to your primary bedroom, which once we go back inside the house, we'll take a look. But some of the renovations they did back here, you can see the cement squares here to extend that patio out. They replaced this fence that was there, and at night it looks absolutely incredible. I'm not sure if you can tell in the video, but they have lights all the way around there, so it's completely lit up. Here's your pool. All sorts of space over here for some lounge chairs, and then while you're hanging out in your pool, that's your view. Look at that, absolutely incredible. You have more grassy area over here, so plenty of room for entertaining. You can put your outdoor kitchen out here as well, right outside your kitchen space. but I absolutely love this backyard and these incredible views. I can't get enough of it. Plenty of room on this covered patio here for plenty of patio furniture going all the way to your pool there. Let's go take a look at the rest of the inside of the house. So inside, you've got updated windows there. In the living area, you've got a brand new ceiling fan, LED lighting throughout. And the home also features a brand new electrical panel and electrical components. So that is huge with a home being built in the 60s. Now, as we walk straight here, to the left will be your first bedroom. Ceiling fan. You've got ceiling to floor windows there, the classic Palmer Kreisel Alexander architect. You've got your closet there. And then you come out this room, and right to the left is your second bedroom. Same thing with the windows. And then your closet is here. Tall ceilings make this home feel. As you come out of that bedroom, you've got your laundry area where you can put your stackable washer and dryer. The first restroom here has a beautifully done stand-up shower. You've got the single vanity, brand new toilet. Everything is brand new in this house. And then this restroom features a skylight. So you've got a natural skylight there, stand-up shower, beautifully done restroom. And then straight ahead is your primary bedroom. Primary bedroom has your ceiling fan, couple windows, and then access to the side yard, which will take you out to the back. There is your closet. And then your primary restroom also features one sink. You do have a window in this restroom. And then you've got your tub and shower combo. So this is your primary. You can see the space there. Pretty nice sized room. Let's see a little bit of the view from those windows there. And then of course, there's the star of the show with those mountains. Okay, so now that you've seen the house, let's talk about the location, because that's another big part of what makes this property so special. We're in Racquet Club Estates, one of Palm Springs' most recognizable mid-century modern neighborhoods. And if you like Palm Springs architecture, this area has some serious history. Throughout the neighborhood, you'll find homes connected to some of the biggest names in desert modernism, including Alexander Construction Company, architect William Kreisel, Donald Wexler, and so many more. But what I really like about this location is that you get that classic Palm Springs residential feel while still being incredibly close to everything. You're only about 3 miles from downtown Palm Springs, so restaurants, shopping, nightlife, and everything happening along Palm Canyon are just a short drive away. You've also got Victoria Park right here in the neighborhood with plenty of green space, picnic areas, and a playground. And if you're flying in and out of town, Palm Springs International Airport's only about 3 miles away, which is a huge convenience, especially if this is going to be a second home or a desert getaway. And of course, wherever you go in the neighborhood, you have those incredible San Jacinto Mountain views reminding you that you're in Palm Springs. So when you put it all together, the mid-century architecture, the history, the mountain views, the proximity to downtown, and everything Palm Springs has to offer, Racquet Club Estates really gives you that quintessential Palm Springs lifestyle. And this house puts you right in the middle of it. And there you have it, an incredible transformation right here in Palm Springs' Racquet Club Estates. Now I want to know what you think. Did they nail the renovations? What was your favorite part of the house? And most importantly, if you could see yourself calling this place home, reach out to me. Whether you have more questions, just want to discuss the property further, or you're ready to schedule a private showing and see it for yourself, my contact information is below. And if this wasn't quite the one, but Palm Springs or anywhere in the Coachella Valley is calling your name, I can help you find the one that is. Don't forget to subscribe, because I have home tours and all things Coachella Valley each and every day. Thanks for watching. My name's James with LPT, and I'll catch you on the next one.